On Friday, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma flagged off a consignment of 1,700 metric tons of broomgrass from Klee Umsten in Ribhoi district of Meghalaya. The shipment, part of the government's farmer support initiatives, will be transported to the Central Warehousing Corporation in Guwahati, where it is set to be stored and auctioned to the highest bidders. The initiative falls under the CM Assure program, a government scheme designed to provide assistance to farmers facing fluctuating market prices. The scheme targets non-perishable commodities with extended shelf lives, offering farmers a stable outlet for their produce. During the event, the Chief Minister also distributed pickup vehicles to beneficiaries under the CM Elevate program, aimed at empowering rural communities by improving livelihoods through targeted initiatives. Sangma took the opportunity to outline the government's ongoing efforts to enhance agriculture development and support farmers. He acknowledged that increasing production volumes was a significant challenge, but emphasized that collaborative efforts between the government, communities and entrepreneurs would help address this issue. He added that the government is committed to creating an ecosystem that fosters agricultural growth, the success of value-added products. The Chief Minister reaffirmed the government's dedication to empowering farmers through schemes like the CM Assure and the CM Elevate, which aim to boost incomes, promote organic farming and improve the agricultural value chain for the benefit of rural communities. These programs, Sangma noted, are part of the broader strategy to transform Meghalaya's rural economy and promote sustainable agricultural practices.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Dada.
Songs of East Garo Hills District.
East Garo Hills.
So we are in Thapti, Oja.
Government has done many things to support and to help our farmers. I'm not saying that we've been able to change everything, but a huge difference has been made. Our friends from the Hill Farmers Union are present out here. They will tell you, and I'm sure they've shared with you, how at different levels, for different challenges, this government has come forward and taken some very, very difficult decisions, but decisions that were necessary to support our farmers. The different mission mode programs, whether you talk of turmeric mission, whether you talk of ginger mission, whether you talk of the aroma mission, the mushroom mission, and many, many more mission mode programs, gave a sense of direction, a timeline, and a way forward to achieve goals in a time-bound manner.